Hi, everyone. This is Drew Burr, your technology trainer. And as you know, here at Harry Norman, we are always striving to keep you up to date on the programs that you use and the programs that are in the pipeline for the company. And today is no different. In ToolkitCMA, there have been a couple of new additions that have been added to this site. One right off the bat is when you create a new presentation and you hit the dropdown, you will notice that there is a new presentation called Quick Summary Analysis. Now, this is a short and sweet presentation that is great for when your buyer is making an offer, or you need to have the tough conversation with your seller for a price reduction. Now, I'll show you an example of what this looks like. In this presentation, it features your comparable properties list price range, and it also shows you comparable properties 6 per page in a spread format. Now, this presentation can stand alone, but it also can be incorporated into a standard listing presentation as an added page. Now, something else that's been added, when you're actually selecting your pages in ToolkitCMA, you'll notice that there are a couple of new pages that have been added. One right off the bat is your Google reviews. Now, when you click on this, you will see what the Google review looks like. These are Google reviews that have been pulled into your site, into ToolkitCMA. I'll show you how to make this work. Your second page that's been added is My Social Media. This features 3 social medias that you are actively using. If you do not use Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you can change them to the socials you do use. If you want to feature YouTube, blogging, LinkedIn, you can. You can replace these 3 with ones that you are physically using. Now, to do this, up in your top right with your profile, you're going to select Web Reviews. To incorporate those Google reviews, you're going to scroll down and you are going to click the checkbox that says Use Google. You'll also place your ID in. In the comment section for this video, you'll notice there's a link to how to retrieve your place ID. You also select how many reviews will be included on this document. To update your socials on the social page, you will go back to your profile. You'll click on the social media tab this time. And in this window, you will write down whichever social you use, whether it's LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or whatever, and you will paste down the URL for the social that you feature, and you will click Done. The last feature that's been added to ToolkitCMA, when you're creating a brand new presentation, you will notice that when you create the presentation, create new, you've selected the pages for the presentation you want to use, and you click Next. If you scroll down, you'll notice that Saved Prospects is now an available option. So if you are working with a past client and you want to pull their information into your presentation, you can. You will select the option and your past clients will show up as an option to pull into your ToolkitCMA. Anything to make life shorter and easier on you, that's what they're doing here. Now, I hope these new features help you and I hope you utilize them. Have a wonderful day.